Hi, this is Frank Mistretta from Gale Sotheby's. I am super excited to bring to you 14 Red Creek Circle, equipped with 6 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, at $375 per square foot. This house is a bargain, it's a steal. That equates to $3.4 million. 6 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, 3-car garage, so come on in. As you come into the foyer, it has white oak floors. The ceilings are 30 feet high. And you know what? LeBron James couldn't even touch the ceiling, so come on in. You know, I'm so excited. Imagine having Thanksgiving in here with your family. Take a look at this beautiful dining room. So, if you like to cook, then this is your house. This kitchen is massive. Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. You actually have inlaid tile over here with, again, custom flooring. This kitchen is tremendous. You have a wine cooler here, a microwave, and then we come to one of the best parts that I love. You have a custom rotunda. So, this is your den. Imagine playing chess here, or sitting down having a cup of coffee and looking outside to your expansive backyard. So the living room is approximately 20 by 30 with a beautiful ceiling fan, recessed lighting, and beautiful doors to get to the outside patio. 14 Red Creek Circle has 2 master bedrooms. This is the master bedroom on the first floor. As you can see outside, you have a tremendous vaulted ceilings, and you also have an ensuite bathroom. In this main room bathroom, you have a custom tub, custom his or hers vanity, and a beautiful shower, and ceilings that are approximately 22 feet high. One of my favorite parts of this house is this bridge, which is custom. As you come off the custom bridge, it brings you into a second living room, which has huge high ceilings, and you could be in here and not even know that anyone is even downstairs because you have a second living room up top. As you come off the other side of the bridge, you actually have a second main room on the second floor here. Come on in. This is a massive, massive room. Tremendous oversized main room with a bathroom, ensuite bathroom as well.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or you want to have a showing, give me a call. Frank Mistretta, Gale Sotheby's, 631-495-8820. Once again, 631-495-8820. Thank you, and God bless the United States of America.